Welcome to the Capital One Academic All-American of the Year video interview for Division II Baseball. This year's honoree is St. Cloud State University's Michael Jurgella. A catcher from Plover, Wisconsin, Jurgella is a finance major here at St. Cloud State University.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun this year. We played with a great group of guys, a dedicated, hardworking team. It was an honor to be a part of that team. It didn't end the way we wanted it to, but we had a heck of a run. It's something we're going to remember forever. My classwork is definitely something that I take seriously, something that's been implemented from my parents a long time ago, something I've worked hard for, and I'm glad to receive something of this magnitude. This is definitely the most prestigious award I've ever received, and something that I'm honored to receive. I know there's a lot of student athletes out there that are very deserving, so something that I'm going to cherish forever, and it means a lot to me. Playing here at St. Cloud State's been an honor. Been one of the best 5 years of my life. I wouldn't trade it for anything. Coaching staff, my teammates, the people I've met, it's been unbelievable. As far as the future, I'm hoping for the draft, something that I have always wanted my entire life, so something that I've worked for my entire life. But also being really realistic, I'm working for job interviews and continuing that process as well.
Thank you on behalf of Michael and St. Cloud State University. We'd like to thank Capital One for this tremendous honor and recognition.